The AmSkills Mobile Workshop is a tool that we use to actually bring workforce training to the neighborhood level. So perhaps you're a city or a county that is having issues just like every other city and county with workforce training. We all want to try to get our residents into jobs and good paying jobs. The AmSkills Mobile Workshop and our Career Discovery Bootcamp is that pathway to help you accomplish that. It's a great economic development tool. Many employers, as they're looking, where do we go? Where do we bring our business to? Number one question is, what is your workforce? This program helps you to create a large pipeline of entry-level people, which ultimately lead into an apprenticeship and other high-paying careers. We're extremely excited by the results that we've seen of our Career Discovery Bootcamp utilizing the mobile workshop. We are seeing, 80% plus higher rates, 86% retention rates, which is very, very good for getting people to work. So what is the future? We're receiving requests from all over the country about this model. We receive grants to help replicate this. So it's a great opportunity for us to bring this model to other places, and we've developed a program to help other communities to implement this for themselves.